just looking for the computer paper for this.
I was using cardstock.
Okay.
You got some pencils?
I have 4.
Let me get the other ones.
Are you drawing a frog or was it painting him just like her eggs right there?
I'm passionate.
The one that it is
What?
a praying mantis. That kind of.
My friend, her name is Carly, and she found some grass, and the mama wouldn't take care of it, so she got a balloon and put it on them, put it in a bird cage.
Did you take mine? I have more out there.
Oh, really? What kind of nest does she find? I guess try to be from me an idea because we don't have much time.
I have what you need.
You like butterflies?
You know what I might do is I like this salamander.
That's what I'm doing. I'm drawing a southern salamander frog.
Awesome.
Here's another insect book. Look at that guy.
Alright, what you need? Okay, we need to not have you waiting. We need to try to find you a... Do you have another frog or amphibian?
Let me look. I don't know. Maybe Kristen does.
And I have, and you're wanting a frog?
Like one that looks like it's on glass. On glass. Ooh, we had a frog and there was a frog that hit our door. Hit our side glass door. What are you doing? Trying to draw snakes.
They're like, I don't know if you've seen them, they live around here. They're really colorful lizards. They have like a blue, green, yellow tail, purple too, and like yellow.